A lot of reading and learning problems can come down to issues with how the eyes track, move, or work together. So if you have a child who's struggling with reading or learning and you identify that their eyes don't move properly, of course they're going to be having trouble. So that's where it's really important to look at if their eyes track accurately through the page. Is each eye actually doing the same thing together? And can they do that efficiently? So where we can help with that is if that child is struggling with reading because of a vision problem. And this can make it look like dyslexia, it can make it look like attention deficit, but it might not actually be. If there's a vision problem, then those pieces are treatable, which will ultimately lead to improved performance in what they're doing.
Charlotte was really falling behind in school. She was having a tough time reading and just a tough time keeping up with her peers. And I knew that there was something that just wasn't quite right, but we couldn't figure it out.
When we want to dig in on a child's reading and learning ability to make sure that their eyes are able to keep up with the task, we'll use a computerized device to actually track what the eyes are doing while they're reading. We'll accompany that with some other simple tracking tests, looking at how the eyes are focusing and then how they're working together as well, to make sure that those things fall within the normal ranges for things and to see if it is causing a problem or not. Those tests are some of the things that let us identify if there are issues that may be holding that child back.
The difference that it's made for Charlotte to see Dr. Cam now is she's keeping up with her peers, she's reading, she's confident, she's happy. We don't have the same struggles with her going to school in the morning. She comes home from school happy, and she's not as exhausted as she was at the end of the day.
So where we come in is we can identify if vision is part of the problem or not. So not all of the time is it a vision problem, but 80% of the time there is a vision problem there that's playing a role in it. So we can help to identify what's working and what's not, and then we can formulate a treatment plan to address those areas and ultimately help that child get rid of those barriers.